Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to log into imleagues.com and sign up by using the free agent option for an intramural sport. To start, you're going to go to www.imleagues.com. Click on the Login button in the top right corner. To log in, you have to use the scroll down bar and click Oakland University, then type in your Oakland email that you registered your account with and hit Next. Type in your password and then hit Login. To view all of the intramural sports options that you have, you will click on the Oakland University tab in the top left corner. This leads you to Oakland's main page and shows you all the intramural sports that are taking place. When you find the sport that you want to participate in, you will click on the name and then choose the free agent option. Start by reading and accepting the terms and conditions and scroll down. Then you're going to enter your 4 last digits of your Grizz ID card. You have the option to include information about yourself so that teams can get to know you. For example, you could add your experience level that you have with the sport. You are also given the option to add your phone number. Once you've added your desired information, you will click Post Listing. After signing up for all the sports you are interested in, you simply log out and you are finished. Enjoy!